Good morning, my loves. So today we are going to be, let me turn you, push it up too far. There we go. Starting our morning off making things fall off everywhere. Starting your morning talking about how many days there are in a week. How many days? You should know. There are 7. Yep, sing with me. Here we go. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Wednesday. If yesterday was Wednesday, what day is today? Give you time to think. You should be telling me, talking to the computer. You're looking here. This, remember, does not say t. It's not Tuesday. Because here, remember, you see the TH, and I underlined it, so when you see that, your brain should know your tongue goes between your teeth, and you say th. Thursday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Today's Thursday. Say, today is Thursday. You got it. All right, my loves, how many days, months are there in a year? Whew, I'm on a roll today with making mistakes. Mrs. Birch needs more coffee. How many months are there in a year? Yes, you got it. There are 12. So stand somewhere carefully, not on your mommy's bed, not on a chair. Your feet should be on the floor. And let's sing. Ready, set, go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Have a seat. Sit back down where you are. You can grab your little whiteboard if you're going to be writing the date with me. So my sweets, we're still in the month of September. Let me turn this. If yesterday was September 16th, what number comes after 16? We're starting to count higher and higher, which gets trickier and trickier. But then eventually you'll just know. And it'll be super easy. That's part of growing up, and it's so fun. After 16, what comes next? If you don't know, go back and count, right? Do you know this one? If you don't, go back further. But this is the number 10. So count with me. Ready, set, go. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. What does that number look like? Remember I showed you that all the numbers look like a pattern. 1 and a 0, 1 and a 1, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 3, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 6. Yeah, 1 and a 7. You got it. 17. A teen number starts with a 1. 17. You hear 7, right? A 1 and a 7. Now, what shape comes after a circle? Talk to me on the computer. I'll hear ya. After 16 after a circle comes a square. You got it. 17. A 1 and a 7 and a square. And look at this square is smaller than this one. But it's still a square because it has all of those, it fits all those rules, right? 4 angles, 4 sides, all the sides are the same size. So 17, I need your help writing the date. So the first thing I do is I start with my month. So I look up there. What letter starts the month of September? Like a snake. S, you got it. Uppercase or lowercase? Yep, uppercase. It's a name. It's important. So we use a big letter. S, What letter comes next? E. And this is lowercase. These letters aren't important. They don't start the name. They're in the middle. So I always say little in the middle. Say little in the middle. Good job. All right. So E, little in the middle. S, What letter says P? P. Down, trace up, and round. Sap. What letter says T? T. No tail. I'm not making that tail top to bottom. crossing the middle line. Sept, what letter says eh? Yeah, another E. September has a lot of E's. Over, up to vanilla, down and around to chocolate. Sept, M, my favorite letter. M. So I start at vanilla, pull down to chocolate, trace up to vanilla, bump, pull down, trace up, bump, pull down. Not going under chocolate, right? Sept, M, B. What letter says B? A B. So I'm going to pull straight down to chocolate, trace up, belly to the right. Sept, M, B, Which letters say Yeah, say ER says ER says You got it, my sweet. E and an R. Say month, check. Now I have my month. Now I need my date, my number for today. What's the date today? 17th. Tongue goes between your teeth, right? What number goes first in 17? The 1. It's important. The 1 has to go first. Otherwise, it's not a 17. A 1. What number goes next? 7. Slide to the right and then slant down. Beautiful. I'm doing my very neatest handwriting, just like you are if you are writing this with me. What do I need next? Can you show me? A cute little comma. Say comma, comma. Say cute little comma. It is so cute. A sideways smile. There it is. Smiling at you. I have my month, my date, my comma, and now I need my year. Yep. What number goes first in my year? Look way up there in the corner of the computer. What number goes first? Left. Furthest on the left is first. 2. So I'm going to curve around to the bottom, slide to the right. What number goes second? First, second. 0. So I start at the top, go all the way down to chocolate, and back up to where I started. Okay, first, second, third. You got it. What goes third? 2. Curve around and slide to the right. First, second, third, fourth. What goes fourth? Look all the way up there. We're last. Another 0. All right, my loves, if you were doing this with me and you wrote it, you're going to cap your marker or put your pencil down if you're writing it on paper. I'm going to scoot you over and we're going to read the date. Just like you are on the news. Sometimes you might be on the news for Look Who's 6, right? When your mommy sends in a picture for you for your birthday. So cool. All right, let's get those froggies out of our throats. Here we go. Remember, it's 17th. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Milwaukee. Today's date is September 17th, 2020. Say, have a great day. Awesome. Kiss your brains. You did a great job remembering to say September 17th. Awesome, awesome. We're going to keep counting. But today, it's going to be a little bit trickier because we're going to go into bigger numbers. We're going to start doing bigger numbers because you're so smart and growing up and you can do this. What number is this curly number? Sometimes we forget this one. Yeah, that's curly number 6, like my hair, right? Curly number 6. 6, 7, 8. Crazy 8. What would come next? We're just counting by 1. 1 hop to the next number. 6, hop 1 more. 7, hop 1 more. 8. What would come next? Yeah, 9. So I'm going to write 9, a circle, and a line, big number. 6, 7, 8, 9. What comes next? 6, 7, 8, 9. Where could you look if you needed help? Yeah, you can look at the calendar, right? You can look down here at our days in school tags. What comes after 9? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What number has to go first? Remember from yesterday? What number has to go first? A 1. A 1 has to go first, otherwise it's not the number 10. What goes second? Yeah, 0. All right, count with me. We're going to start from the beginning. Ready, set, go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, we don't have a number 11 card that we've put in order, when we put our cards in order for math. What does 11 look like? Where could you look? Where could you look? After 10 comes 11. A 1 and a 1. 2 ones makes the number 11. 1 and a 1. Smart mathematicians always double check. Here we go. You know what? Let's read this in our baby bear voice. So baby bear has a little squeaky voice. Okay, we're going to read this in our squeaky voice. Ready? We're going to count. Ready? Set. In your squeaky voice. Go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Good job. All right. Kiss your brains. Sometimes we just like to make things fun every once in a while. My sweets, it is time for the weather. I need your help, so sing with me. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy. What's the weather like today? Mrs. Barch forgot to do days in school. We'll come back to that. Sometimes it happens in school too. I just get going and then I forget. So we'll do weather first and we'll go back and do days in school. What do you predict it's like outside? Before you go peek, tell your grown-up that's sitting next to you what you predict. I predict it's, what do you predict? Giving you time to tell your grown-up, and then go peek out the window. What do you see outside in the sky? If it's a blue sky, that means it's sunny, right? If it's white or gray, that means it's cloudy. And if you see raindrops falling down in the puddles, that means it's a rainy day and it's not going to be snowy. It's not cold enough yet. What do you see out there? I hope you see this because this is what my phone told me. My phone told me it was going to be cloudy, so I hope it's a cloudy day. If not, oh well, sing with me. It's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, cloudy day. It's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, cloudy day. My sweets, we are done putting sunnies up. Uh-oh, somebody's catching up. But who still has the most? Looking at the graph, who still has the most? Yes, Sunny's still winning. My silent excitement, right? I'm not clapping out loud, silent excitement. Sunny's still winning. Who has the second most? My cloudies. And my loves, who has the least? Don't let me trick you, who has the least? Snowy, because Snowy has 0. I forgot to do days in school, so let's do that. Sometimes that happens. If yesterday was day number 16 of school, what number comes after 16? I'm going to grab it while you're thinking. You could look at the calendar, right? Because I told you this week all the days in school match the date. Yesterday was day number 16. Excuse me, had a little hiccup. Today is 17. Yeah, 15, 16, 17. What does 17 look like? Yeah, 1 and a 7. 17. Here we go. I need a cube helper, so that's going to be me. It would be you. If you were here, chimney up. Look at this tower is getting full. Not quite yet, but look at it's getting there. It's getting so tall. All right, I need a careful colorer, which will be me. Soon it will be you. I'm going to color one more square. Day number 17. Perfect. Now I need to write on my days in school chart. all the way up here. How many full tens do I have? I always do the tens first. We have no hundreds. We are not on the 100th day of school. So there's nothing we write there. We start with the tens. How many full tens do I have? How many full towers? 1. This tower is not full yet. It's getting close. It's getting close. Then we won't have 1 full tower. Then we will have 2. But right now we just have 1. So 1 full 10. How many extra ones? How many extra? Let's count. It's hard for you to see the lines from the computer, so let's do it here. Count with me. We start at the bottom. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 extra ones. So I want you to say 1, 10. Say 7 ones. Good. And it's the same right here. The 1 is in the tens place. The 7 is in the ones place. All right, my loves. Don't let me trick you. This is a triangle. Good job. This is a square. And this is a circle. How many angles? Angles is the smart word for corners. 3. Yep. And how many sides? 3. A triangle has 3 sides, 3 angles. Oh! I just threw my shape accidentally. It slipped right out of my hands. Oh my goodness. Say silly, Mrs. Birch. I picked it up. He's okay. Look at, he looks so happy still. How many sides? 0. Yep. And how many angles? 0. You got it. Circle has no sides, no angles, and it almost looks like a 0, doesn't it? And the last one, my sweets, is how many sides? 4. Yep, they're all the same. And how many angles? 4. Yeah. So you need to remember square has 4. Triangle has 3. It's easy to remember that the circle has 0. So square has 4, all the same. Triangle has 3. All right, my sweets, I will see you soon for math and for reading. And then somebody special is reading you your read aloud today. So I hope you enjoy that. You got to meet her yesterday too and the day before. So enjoy Miss Ott reading you your read aloud today. She loves doing that, and I will see you soon for math and reading. Bye, my loves. I love you.